This video is from a city in Denmark. Have you ever seen how the marks on pedestrian crossings are made? Well, in this video, you'll see how it's done. It's a manual job that requires a lot of skill and precision. This worker is responsible for painting the crosswalk lines and does it perfectly. Check out these results. It's impressive how these pedestrian crossing stripes are painted. What do you think? Get ready to see how these workers do their jobs. This is an innovative pavement preservation technique which combines the benefits of both a chip and slurry seal. These workers' goal is to leave a black, smooth, and durable pavement surface with a high slip resistance. The contrast between one layer of asphalt and the other attracts the eye. These amazing results reflect the experience of these workers. The asphalt is perfect. Perfect pavement? It's made with great care and precision. Do you want to know what the secret is? Well, pay attention. With the precast mold, the brick layer is filled with the concrete mix. Once it's cooled slightly, the mold is removed. Like magic, but it's not. With a single mold, you can make up to 8 bricks. It's amazing. What do you think of this pergola? I'm sure you want one in your house. Well, sit back, relax, and we'll show you how it was built. With these materials and tools, this worker does everything necessary to achieve a fantastic pergola.
It's a long process, but this worker's skill is important to achieve these results. Without a doubt, the makeover is amazing. Have you ever seen a cat oven? Well, this Japanese work team will make it possible. Get ready to watch and enjoy the entire manufacturing process. On a brick base, the workers form the structure of the cat. As you can see, it's a pretty big cat. Materials as curious as beer bottles are used to build it. And that's it! This is a cat oven where you can bake all kinds of food. It's the most curious and fun oven in the world. It even has a mustache. And now, it's time to eat.
If we're talking about satisfying factory machines, this is undoubtedly one of them. Let's see how Ironworks forges its tong blanks. This process is carried out under extreme temperatures, so you have to be super careful and precise. Emits a mesmerizing glow that really draws your attention. Do you see it too?